Hey guys, we are going to do an activity today that is really easy and is good for any of our groups. So we are going to make our own bird feeders, and you only need a couple things. Just need a toilet paper roll, just like this, no toilet paper on it, some peanut butter, and some oats, and then a knife. So go ahead and pause this video and go ahead and get all of your materials, okay? All right, so our first step is we're gonna get our peanut butter, bring it up, and then we're gonna put our knife in. Okay, and then I'm gonna get our toilet paper roll, and I'm gonna put some peanut butter on our toilet paper roll. Put it on all the sides. Doesn't have to be a lot. So if your student is in the black group, you notice some of the words that I'm emphasizing that, this is a good time to model on those devices. You're going to put something on. Okay. If your student is in the purple group, they might need a little more help with holding on to the roll or spreading it, but you could also put the peanut butter in a bowl or a plate and use their hand and kind of help them rub the peanut butter on top of it. Okay. And if your student is in the white group, maybe they can lead this experiment, and then you guys can teach your families how to do this. And you can teach them. You can be the expert. Okay. So I've got peanut butter on all sides of our toilet paper roll. Okay. Now I'm going to put some oats on our roll. That's what the birds are going to eat. Okay. So I'm going to use just a little bit in my hands and kind of sprinkle it on. Let's see. I'm going to turn it actually. Okay, turn it on this side. Put some more on. It's a little messy, that's okay. If you need some help in remembering the steps to wash the counters, you can watch Miss Bell's video. Okay. All right, we are finished. That's it. It's just a little bird feeder snack. I'm going to put mine on my deck and maybe watch out the window to see if any of the birds eat it. So if you guys want to try this at home, you can take some pictures of the birds that are eating it, see what birds like it, and you can comment on this video if they do. All right, thanks so much, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.